Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 22 WRX. Today we're going to be testing out a new mic setup I have for this. So without further ado, let's just rewind this and start with our new mic. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 22 WRX. Today we're going to be testing out a new mic that I got. I have plugged in our Shure MV88 mic. So what better way to test out some audio quality with some exhaust clips. So let me get you guys set up. We'll get a cold start in, and then we'll go for a short drive. Let's go. Alright, so we're about to take a left out of the neighborhood. We're just gonna cruise down, take some back roads, kind of hear what the exhaust sounds like, kind of hear what the intake sounds like. Some things done to the car. If you're new to the channel, this is a STI 6-speed swapped car. It does have a P&L catted J pipe, ETS front mount, ETS intake. We are pro-tuned by Mikey Body, and you can't forget our MAP exhaust. I do love this MAP exhaust because the V-bands makes it super easy to fit up, and the tips are adjustable, so super easy. Smart blow-off valve as well. It's a plumb back. It's not the 50/50 or it's not the atmospheric one. It's just full recirc. And we've replaced that because it is a full billet unit. It does replace that plastic unit, so you're gonna have no issues with that in the future. Takes a right here, we'll take a right. Right here, take a right. See, oh, we got a light. There we go, that felt good. 2-3-4 action. Definitely felt really good. This tune from Mikey, super strong. Zero feedback knock the entire 2 through 4 pole. no fear of a gear breaking or anything like that. So as long as the clutch is good, which we got an ACT extreme clutch in here, just throw it in the gear and hold on. So I'll catch up with you guys back at the house, but I think we're done with our little cruise here. We got a couple pulls in. So see you guys in just a few minutes. Well, that's all I got for you guys on this one. Hope the audio and everything sounds much better. I did look at some of the recordings. Sounds to me the audio is a little bit better. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, if this is an improvement. I'm thinking about doing a live Q&A here on YouTube or maybe Instagram. Let me know in the comments below also what you guys prefer, if we do a live on either YouTube or Instagram. I can answer any questions about the build, or if you guys have any questions about your build, maybe I can help out and answer some of those questions. If I do that, I'll probably be on for like 30 minutes to an hour, and people can just come in and cycle in. But let me know if that's something you guys would like. But until next time, see you guys.